हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 8 इंग्लिश के लेसन 4.4 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यूज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स फ्रेजेस टू मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ योर ओन। यहाँ हमें कुछ वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस दिए गए हैं, हमें उन वर्ड्स का यूज करके सेंटेंस बनाना है। फर्स्ट वर्ड है enthusiasm। सेंटेंस, द फुटबॉल फैंस were full of enthusiasm before the match started। नेक्स्ट है लूप ऑफ। आंसर है आफ्टर द रेस एंडेड द हॉर्स लूप ऑफ टू इट्स स्टेबल। नेक्स्ट है फ्रॉड। सेंटेंस, द बैंकर्स were arrested for committing a fraud। नेक्स्ट क्लैरिटी। सेंटेंस है while writing a news article clarity is necessary। नेक्स्ट amiable। सेंटेंस, I feared my new neighbors would be rude but they were quite amiable। नेक्स्ट है to come to terms with। सेंटेंस, she came to terms with her failure। नेक्स्ट है conveyance। आंसर, traveling by train is my favorite way of conveyance। Second question, the following words can be used as nouns as well as verbs. Make pairs of sentences of your own using them as a noun in one and as a verb in the other. For example, she gave a smile, noun. Second, babies smile when they see their mother, verb। इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, हमें हर वर्ड के दो सेंटेंसेस बनाना है। एक सेंटेंस में वर्ड को नाउन के फॉर्म में यूज करना है और दूसरे सेंटेंस में उसी वर्ड को वर्ब के फॉर्म में यूज करना है। फर्स्ट वर्ड है विजिट। नाउन फॉर्म, द मिनिस्टर्स विजिट हैड टू बी कैंसल्ड। वर्ब फॉर्म, वी वेंट टू विजिट माय ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स ड्यूरिंग समर वेकेशन। सेकेंड वर्ड है ऑनर। Noun form, it is an honor to be the best student in school। Verb form, Niharika had to honor the commitment she had made to the company। Next word है report। Answer, the news report will be ready in a few hours। Second sentence, Janvi had to report the incident live। Next word है watch। Noun form, I lost my watch during my final exams। Verb form, Aditi does not get time to watch television। Next है form, the bank forms need to be filled by this week। Second sentence, an idea began to form in my mind for my new art project। Last word है surprise। Noun form है my parents gifted me a new mobile phone on my birthday as a surprise। Verb form है Aman loves to surprise his friends on their birthdays। Second question, say why। First है Ramanujan's letter bored and irritated Hardy at first। Answer है Ramanujan's letter bored and irritated Hardy at first because of the following reasons। First है Ramanujan's letter was untidy and full of unclean sheets of paper which had theorems written in a non-English script that Hardy couldn't understand। They were weird and one or two of those theorems were well known yet were presented as if they were original। Also, there were no proofs given for any of them, all of which bored and irritated Hardy at first। B question, Hardy invited Littlewood for a discussion। Answer, Hardy invited Littlewood for a discussion because of the following reasons. Despite not being interested in Ramanujan's work, it kept nagging at Hardy's mind throughout the day. He kept thinking about the wild theorems mentioned in the script. He wondered whether the person who sent the script was fraud or an unknown genius of mathematics. He went back and looked at the script again to decide which one was more probable and decided to discuss it with Littlewood so as to come to a conclusion. C question. Mother agreed to send Ramanujan to England. Answer. Ramanujan's mother was a firm devotee of goddess of Namakal and adhered strictly to the religious norms. Crossing the ocean was not permissible to her, but she had a dream one night where she saw Ramanujan seated in a big hall among Europeans. The goddess had warned her not to come in the way of her son achieving his purpose in life, hence she agreed to send Ramanujan to England. D question. Hardy and Ramanujan could not talk freely with each other. आंसर है Hardy and Ramanujan could not talk freely with each other because of the following reasons. First है, even though Ramanujan was friendly and good natured, he wasn't always able to follow Hardy's conversation that weren't dealing with mathematics. In mathematics, they had different opinions as Ramanujan was self taught and didn't understand the basics like knowing what a proof was. E question. Ramanujan had to be hospitalized. Answer. Ramanujan had to be hospitalized because he had contracted tuberculosis. F question. Ramanujan found the number 1729 very interesting. Answer. Ramanujan found the number 1729 very interesting because it was the smallest number that could be represented as a sum of two cubes in two different ways. Third question. Read the text and enlist the achievements and honors of Ramanujan received in England. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें रामानुजन को इंग्लैंड में मिले अचीवमेंट्स और ऑनर की लिस्ट बनानी है. Answer. Through his letters, Ramanujan was able to make an impression on an established mathematician like Hardy. This led to Hardy convincing Trinity College to bring Ramanujan to England from India as he was talented in mathematics. After arriving in England in the year 1914, Ramanujan learned the basics of mathematics that he wasn't able to before due to lack of proper education. At the age of 31, he was elected by both the Royal Society and Trinity College as a Fellow and became the first Indian to ever receive this honours. Fourth question. Voice, active and passive. The form of a verb shows whether the doer of an action is in the subject, active voice, or the subject has an action done to it, passive voice. A question. Underline the verbs in the following sentences and state whether the sentences are in active or passive voice. या हमें सेंटेंस में दिए गए वर्ब्स को अंडरलाइन करना है और बताना है कि सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस है या पैसिव वॉइस है. फर्स्ट है इंग्लैंड गेव रामानुजन ग्रेट ऑनर्स. इस सेंटेंस में वर्ब है गेव और ये सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है. बी क्वेश्चन. अ लार्ज अनटाइडी एनवलप वाज डेकोरेटेड विद इंडियन स्टैम्प्स. वर्ब है वाज डेकोरेटेड और ये पैसिव वॉइस है. सी क्वेश्चन. द टाइम टेबल वाज नॉट अल्टर्ड. वर्ब है was not altered और ये पैसिव वॉइस है. डी क्वेश्चन. शी सॉ हर सन इन अ बिग हॉल. वर्ब है सॉ और ये एक्टिव वॉइस है. ई क्वेश्चन. हार्डी करेक्टेड हिज स्टेटमेंट. इस सेंटेंस में वर्ब है करेक्टेड और ये एक्टिव वॉइस है. एफ क्वेश्चन. रामानुजन वॉज ब्रॉट टू इंग्लैंड. वर्ब है was brought और ये पैसिव वॉइस है. बी क्वेश्चन. चेंज द वॉइस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट है हार्डी टॉट रामानुजन. ये सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है, इसे हमें पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करना है. आंसर. रामानुजन वॉज टॉट बाय हार्डी. बी क्वेश्चन. ही न्यू नथिंग ऑफ द मॉडर्न रीगर. आंसर. नथिंग ऑफ द मॉडर्न रीगर वॉज नोन बाय हिम. सी क्वेश्चन. Sheets of paper were found in it by Hardy. Answer. Hardy found sheets of paper in it. D question. Hardy was bored by that manuscript. Answer. That manuscript bored Hardy. E question. Trinity supported unorthodox talent. Answer. Unorthodox talent was supported by Trinity. F question. He could not break the ban. Answer. The ban could not be broken by him. Fifth question. Identify whether the following are simple, complex and compound sentences. यहाँ हमें दिए गए सेंटेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स या कंपाउंड है. When he opened it, he found sheets of paper. इस सेंटेंस में एक मेन क्लॉज है और एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है. मेन क्लॉज ही फाउंड शीट्स ऑफ पेपर, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज व्हेन ही ओपनड इट. इसलिए ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है. बी क्वेश्चन. ही ग्लैंस एट अ लेटर. इस सेंटेंस में सिर्फ एक क्लॉज है इसलिए ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है. सी क्वेश्चन. हार्डी वॉज नॉट ओनली बोर्ड बट ही वॉज ऑल्सो इरिटेटेड. इस सेंटेंस में दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस है. हार्डी वॉज बोर्ड और सेकेंड है ही वॉज ऑल्सो इरिटेटेड. ये क्लॉजेस कंजक्शन वर्ड से जॉइंट है इसलिए ये कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है. डी क्वेश्चन. रामानुजन टर्न आउट टू बी अ पुअर क्लर्क. इस सेंटेंस में एक ही क्लॉज है इसलिए ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है. E question. If Ramanujan had been better educated, he would have been even more wonderful than he was. इस सेंटेंस में एक मेन क्लॉज है और एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज इज इफ रामानुजन हैड बीन बेटर एजुकेटेड और मेन क्लॉज है ही वुड हैव बीन इवन मोर वंडरफुल देन ही वाज. इसलिए ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है. F question. Ramanujan was self-taught. He knew nothing of the modern rigor. इस सेंटेंस में दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस है. फर्स्ट है रामानुजन was self-taught और सेकंड है he knew nothing of the modern rigor और कोलन से दोनों क्लॉजेस जॉइंट है इसलिए ये कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है. Sixth question. Interview question. A brilliant student from your school has won a mathematics quiz at the national level. Frame questions to interview him/her. When the school felicitated him/her, follow the steps given below. इसका आंसर आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. 7th question summary. Read the first three paragraphs on page 92 from dash one morning dash up to dash a discussion after hall. You can see the answer on the screen. स्टूडेंट यहाँ हमारे लेसन 4.4 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.